This is one of those moments that demands that each one of us do more.
After weeks of protests, tonight, LA Mayor Eric Garcetti announced the city's next steps towards police reform. Under the Los Angeles Police Department, a new bureau will be created to try to bridge the gap between officers and the communities they've struggled to patrol.
We recognize that relationships with our community, particularly in the Black and brown communities, must improve. Today's announcement is that next step.
The new bureau is an extension of LAPD's Community Safety Partnership, which was started back in 2011. It requires officers to remain in the same community for 5 years in order to get to know the local residents. This bureau will be made up of a mix of civilian and sworn leadership and led by newly promoted Deputy Chief Amada Tangarides.
This is about understanding the cultures of the communities and adjusting how we work and respond to conflict within communities.
But tonight, organizations like the LA Community Action Network, who have been calling on the mayor to defund the police, are calling this a move in the wrong direction.
This walks in the opposite direction of what we're calling for. Defund the police and refund the community. That is the experiment that needs to happen in July of 2020.
A recently published UCLA study did find the program was behind a drop in crime and a bridge in communication in communities like Jordan Downs and Nickerson Gardens. And tonight, civil rights activist Connie Rice is asking residents and officers to give it a chance.
The vision of CSP is that you go after, you get everybody in the boat together and you row. You row towards safety, you row toward empowerment.
Tonight, LAPD says the new bureau will be funded by the budget it already has. Reporting in downtown Los Angeles, Leslie Marin, KCAL 9 News.